I'm Mrs. Wheeler and this is Mrs. Wheeler Wednesdays. Welcome and thank you for coming to our very first Design 101 class. I'm so happy you're here. This month's theme is back to basics. So today we're gonna look at some symbols that you probably are using but don't know what they are. What, Jamie? Okay, yeah, I could see how what I said was confusing. I'll explain a little more. There are a lot of universal symbols used in different software and programs like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or the Google's Docs. For example, you probably know that when you see the capital B, that means you're gonna bold your text. But what about all those other symbols? Some of these new tools will help you create cleaner, more impressive documents. So let's get started. There are a few symbols that to the untrained eye may look like just a few horizontal lines. But these lines tell you which side of the document or margin that your paragraph starts or aligns to. Left, right, center. When you see that all the lines are even or justified, that means that both sides of the paragraph are going to be nice and even and clean. How many times have you gotten in a battle with your bullet points? It indents too far, you can't format it back. We've all been there. Lucky for us, this symbol forces our indent in bullet points in or out. So now you and your bullet points can be besties again. Jamie spends way too long color coding our Google Docs. What? It's true? Here I was thinking she spent way too much time on it, but then she tells me about the format painter symbol. This one's neato. First, you select the text that you want to keep the formatting for, and then simply highlight or paint over the text you want to change. And it will apply the formatting like magic. This one's for all the youngins out there. Most of you probably know what the save symbol looks like, but do you know what it's based off of? Before CDs and computers, there were floppy disks. You could save a whopping 1.5 megabytes on a floppy disk, which is equivalent to about 1.5 iPhone photos today. I just think it's kind of neat that the save symbol is a little nod to computer history. You know when you copy and paste text from a website to your email and it's huge and you're like, no thank you? Next time that happens, look for the symbol with the T with the cross through it and it will clear all that craziness right away. We're just getting started, so let's keep homework super simple and you're just going to tag a friend in the comments that you think should be taking Mrs. Wheeler's Design 101 lessons too. I'll be checking and giving grades on participation. Our first class is done, Jamie. Do you want to celebrate? I don't know. I mean, I guess we could get food delivered, maybe from like Bob Evans or something. Maybe Red Lobster? Thank you, you're the best. Thank you, you're the best.